Okay guys, here we are in the lovely Lavenham. Stop here for a little bit of a bite to eat and a coffee. Lovely little bakery, does great food and a decent coffee. Time to continue. Alright. Really nice and picturesque here in Lavenham. Very lovely, preserved medieval buildings. Go, Phil. You like a church? That's not bad, is it? Trust no one. This is the lovely Sudbury. Also some very nice medieval buildings. Stop at TTT, couldn't we? Yeah, let's check out what's going on at TTT.
Right, I just stopped here at TTT Village on my way back and ended up buying a new jacket for commuting. I'll show it to you later.
So yeah, what do you know? Stopped at TTT and found a jacket I liked to go with my new commuter jeans. I've got a little Spada commuter jacket to go with that as well. I couldn't find something that I liked at bike stop, but I found something here. So happy I had to stop. Really nice place here at TTT Village in Sudbury. Really nice, friendly service. Come on. Huge place. Loads of used bikes as well. Felt they even had a TDM in there. I'm surprised at the high price. some of these second-hand bikes. Pretty expensive. I guess they're getting classic value, classic bike prices now. Alright, well, thank you very much for coming on this ride with me. Got some stuff done that I've wanted to do for a while, which is to adjust the properly set up the suspension on this and operate the shock so that it's now should be a better bike for taking the Ilford stick pillion. And did some retail therapy to boot. Now I'm going to take one of the best roads around here for biking with the new shock and the setup. So from Sudbury, if you take this turn here for Castle Hedingham, or however it is that you English people pronounce this, it's a great road. In fact, I did a 360 video on this road with the Insta360 before I had the GoPro. I'll put a link up here in the description in here. I'll put a card up here. There you go, card. Yeah, oh, this is, it doesn't squat as much, it's much nicer. Oh yeah, now that I'm on this road with the new shock, you can definitely tell the difference. Not just the shocks, the forks are being set up as well for preload and rebound. One thing he did tell me is to get the headstock bearings tightened, so I need to go and check that out. Shame about this drizzle. Ugh.
fucking gravel.